In this video, we are going to learn how to add pictures and video to a quiz question. Um, I have chosen a multiple choice question, though you would do the same thing in any of the other um, types of questions where this sort of box is presented, where when you start typing, you have the option to make things bold, italics, underlined, upload pictures, or insert stuff. And so I'm going to use this one as an example. I have a question here about dolphins, and so I'm going to navigate to a video on YouTube that is going to then give me, that I'm going to embed the video into this text box. I'm going to show you how to do that. So my question is, in light of dolphins being called one of the strongest animals, which it says in the video, we should not be surprised that we find out what later on in the video. The correct answer is the first one, that dolphins often ward off sharks. And then there are a couple of wrong answers below. So if we wanted to include a video into this particular text box, we would go to the Insert Stuff option. We would click that, and you'll see that there are a variety of things. If you have the video on your computer and you want to upload it, you can choose that one. And there is this option here with the YouTube. I've not found that one working very well, and so what I'm going to do is actually use the Enter Embed code. Okay. The insert link would take students to YouTube itself and kind of get them out of Oaks. I don't think that you would want to do that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to leave this particular tab, Oaks tab, and I'm going to go to YouTube itself. Here's my video that I want to add. I'm going to click the share button. And when you click the share button, you'll see this embed option right here. So we're going to click that embed thing. And we're going to click copy, and that copies the code to our clipboard for us. And now we can go back to the Oaks quiz tool, and we're going to click the Enter Embed code. And here, all we're going to do is paste it. And we can right click and click paste, or we can use, of course, the quick key, so Control V. And there it is, and we're going to click next. All right, if that looks good, we're going to click insert, and now we have our video in there. We click save, and we're done.